Oliver's home. Oliver had been building his new cave for months and was facing a lot of issues doing it all alone. One morning, as he attempted to lift a huge rock, another dinosaur, Max, was passing by, and he immediately gave Oliver a hand. Once the rock was set in place, Max offered to help Oliver complete the construction. Happy to have a helping hand with something he was struggling with, he readily accepted. Together, the two built the cave in just a few days. Oliver couldn't thank Max enough and was bidding goodbye to him when Max declared, "What are you thanking me for, my friend? We both built this cave together. It is as much mine as it is yours." Shocked, Oliver regretted his decision of taking Max's help and realized there was no such thing as a free lunch. There's always a hidden cost. Grandma saves the day. Zoe made beautiful dresses for all female dinosaurs in her town. Her designs were so loved and appreciated that she was getting famous in other towns as well. Other designers in these different towns didn't like the fact that Zoe was garnering so much attention and appreciation and decided to meet her together. They said, "We want you to work like us and not make any new designs. You are taking our clients away. Stay limited to your town only." Upset at the other designer's words, Zoe went to her grandmother and cried, "Grandma, I want to close my shop. I don't want to upset all these dinosaurs." Grandmother turned to Zoe and said, "Sweetheart, you can't make an omelette without breaking a few eggs. On your journey to success, you are bound to upset a few. But you have to focus on your goals and keep moving ahead." Learning something new. Toby always wanted to be a part of the school band, but for that he needed to know how to play at least one musical instrument. Finally, Grandpa was teaching Toby how to play the flute, and he was excited. For a week straight, Toby took flute classes from Grandpa. They'd practice before and after school, and after the week was over, Toby auditioned for the school band. When the results came out, Toby wasn't selected. Disappointed, he went to Grandpa and said, "You didn't teach me well. I wasn't selected in the band." Grandpa stroked Toby's head, handed him the flute, and said, "You have to practice a skill a lot to become good at it. It doesn't happen in a week. So, my son, work harder and you'll be selected the next time." Inspired, Toby apologized and practiced hard to be in the band. The bad drawings. Lily and her father were cleaning and organizing his wardrobe. While clearing out a drawer, Lily came across old sheets of paper with drawings on them. Lily noticed that the drawings were not very good. Lines weren't straight and the coloring was all wrong. She laughed a little at how bad the drawing was and was about to crumple the paper when Father Dinosaur suddenly stopped her. Surprised at the sudden movement, she asked, "What's wrong? Don't you want me to throw these?" Her father gave her a wide smile and said, "Never." Puzzled, Lily questioned, "These drawings are terrible. Why would you still keep them, Father?" The Father Dinosaur squeezed Lily's chubby cheeks and said, "Because you drew them, silly. They may seem trash to you, but are precious to me. Different people have different ideas about what's valuable."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.